Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Pluto TV app. You will click on settings. In this page here, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about the application of Pluto TV, and you will click here in this window, as you see. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.